In this problem, we're going to put this linear equation into slope-intercept form, which means basically we're going to solve it for y. Y will be alone on the left side, and everything else in the equation will be on the right side in proper form. Now, we'll distribute the 3, and we get 3x minus 6y is equal to 9. Don't multiply the 9 by 3 because it's on the other side of the equation. Now notice that all three of these terms have factors of 3 in them. 3 is a factor of 3, 6 divides by 3, and so 9 divides by 3 also. So let's reduce the equation by 3. We divide the first term by 3, we'll get simply x. Divide minus 6y by 3, we'll get minus 2y. Divide 9 by 3, and we get simply 3. All we've done in this step is reduced the equation. Now all that's left is to get the y by itself on the left side. We continue by getting the x over on the right side by subtracting x from both sides. We subtract x from the left and it's gone. We've simply got minus 2y. We'll subtract x from the right side and add the 3. The reason we put the minus x before the 3 is because we're getting it ready for slope-intercept form. Now let's divide everything by minus 2 to get y all by itself. I divide minus 2y by minus 2 and I get simply y. I divide minus x by minus 2 and I'll get a plus x over 2. I divide plus 3 by minus 2 and I get a minus 3 over 2. Be very careful with your negative signs. Now the only thing that remains is I should put this in what we call y equal mx plus b form, the slope-intercept form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite x over 2 as 1/2 times x. The x can go on top or on the right and mean the same thing. You can't put it on the bottom because then that means something entirely different. Minus 3 over 2. So now this is in y is equal to mx plus b form, where the slope m is equal to 1/2. The y-intercept, we often say the y-intercept is minus 3/2, but properly the y-intercept is a point. It's a point on the y-axis. So we should call it 0 minus 3/2. That is the point at which the line would cross the y-axis if you graphed it. Notice we didn't change anything to decimal form. There's no need to, and it didn't cost us any grief. All we did was carry along these fractions. It didn't take any effort to carry them along.